Welcome back. Today we're exploring 10 Feng Shui tips for inviting wealth, love, and health into your home. Feng Shui is an ancient practice that balances and enhances the flow of energy in your space, promoting harmony and well-being. Let's dive into these tips to transform your living space into a sanctuary of abundance. Clear clutter for clarity. Clutter blocks positive energy. Start by decluttering your space and organizing your belongings. Dispose of items you no longer need and create a tidy environment to invite good energy in. Create a welcoming entryway. Your entrance is the first impression of your home. Keep it well lit and clutter-free, and consider adding a welcoming doormat or potted plants. This sets the tone for positive energy to flow inside. Commanding position for furniture. Arrange key furniture pieces, like your bed and desk, to have a clear view of the door without being directly in line with it. This arrangement fosters a sense of security and enhances focus and relaxation. Harmonious color choices. Colors are vital in Feng Shui. Use hues that align with your intentions: green for growth, red for passion, and blue for calmness. Opt for balanced, soothing colors rather than overly bright or stark ones. Vitalizing indoor plants. Plants bring life and energy into your home. Choose plants with rounded or soft-edged leaves, like the money plant or jade plant, as they are believed to attract wealth. Place them in areas where you want to enhance abundance. The power of mirrors. Mirrors can multiply energy and light. Hang them where they reflect beautiful views or positive energy sources. However, avoid placing mirrors facing the bed, as they can disrupt tranquility. Love-centric bedroom. Nurture love energy in your bedroom by incorporating romantic touches. Use pairs of objects like candles or artwork, and choose soft bedding and lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Kitchen abundance. Your kitchen represents nourishment and prosperity. Keep it clean and organized, and display healthy fruits in a bowl on the counter. Avoid clutter on the stove to maintain smooth energy flow. Balanced center of the home. The center of your home is linked to health and balance. Keep this area clutter-free and consider adding a natural element, like a small indoor fountain or water-themed artwork, to symbolize energy flow. Personalized decor. Infuse your space with personal touches that reflect your goals and aspirations. Meaningful artwork, inspirational quotes, and cherished mementos can uplift your home's energy and remind you of your intentions. Incorporating these Feng Shui principles into your home decor can significantly enhance your well-being. By following these 10 tips, you'll create a harmonious living space that aligns with your desires for wealth, love, and health. Remember, Feng Shui is not just about rearranging furniture. It's about cultivating an environment that nourishes your soul and encourages positive energy to flourish. Thank you for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on creating a balanced home.